I did. I went sporadically. So I have this track record of making coaching people rich and not work for being rich. So I used to pay, and that's so my parents actually, when I initially quit, I was like, हे भगवान, इसने फिर आलस कर दिया है and इसको फिर निकम्मे बन के घर में बैठना है. So they thought my whole plan was कि भाई बहुत मेहनत हो गई, अब क्विट करो, घर पे बैठो, क्योंकि I always been the lazy child in their opinion. And I used to be bad at मतलब मैं उतना एफर्ट ही नहीं मार पाती थी पढ़ाई के लिए. I couldn't be.
But you were effortless.
हाँ, मतलब जब इतने सी मेहनत करके पास हो रहे हो and I'm not competitive enough to want more than that, तो ठीक है ना, चल रहा है काम. Yeah, I'm not very competitive as a, this thing. People will be like, एक minute, you gave civil services, you gave engineering, you gave entrance.
That is the
How
thought.
are you saying you're not competitive? But I'm not. Those are the essentials to get to those jobs and those educations. ना, मेरे पास option नहीं है. मतलब वो सब मैं बिना competitive हुए कर नहीं पाती ना.
Okay, so
आप
that's
competitive
not an
exam से-
innate quality.
No,
but
I'm not a
but,
competitive person
yeah.
at all. I don't think of other people as competition or anything that I need to measure myself against. And that didn't happen
Which
to me
is
in
a very
childhood
good
also,
thing.
no?
Yeah.
I've never been brought up to think of other people and then think of myself. I just think of, am I okay being who I am? So that's where the difference was. So my parents were convinced कि कंपनी में काम करना पड़ता है, तो भाई इसको ना कुछ नहीं करना है, इसलिए वापस से घर आ गई है. बट आई डिडंट रियली क्योंकि मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं जानती थी ना कोचिंग के बारे में, मतलब सिविल्स के बारे में मैं कुछ भी नहीं जानती थी.
Okay.
तो मुझे तो यही नहीं पता किताबें क्या होती है, सब्जेक्ट क्या होते हैं, एग्जाम का पैटर्न क्या होता है, मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता था. सो आई तो हैड टू काइंड ऑफ लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच.
So you did join, but did you keep at the coaching or you just quit?
I went sporadically. Also, so मेरे बाद साथ क्या हुआ ना, the format completely changed.
Acha.
Every year
Of
that I
the
gave the
exam.
exam, format completely changed. तो it's like वो
Okay.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता उस चीज़ का वैसे.
Okay. फिर बाकी आपने खुद से पढ़ा है.
हाँ, इसमें आपको खुद से ही पढ़ना पड़ता है.
Self study is much more
Yes,
than what you
yes.
learn.
Coaching will
at the
just tell you start कहाँ से करना है. But it's actually everything. It is all on you. आपको ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You can't depend on coaching to kind of save you.
अच्छा.
आप एक बात सोचो ना कॉमन सेंस की, अगर कोचिंग से बच्चे पास होते तो एक ही कोचिंग वाले पास होते ना. अगर कोचिंग वाज द फैक्टर व्हिच मेड पीपल पास, तो सिर्फ एक कोचिंग होती ना जिसके बेस्ट होता और उसके बच्चे पास होते सारे. दूसरा, अगर कोचिंग की वजह से ही लोग पास होने वाले थे, तो बिना कोचिंग वाले क्यों पास होते हैं?
वो but there are very few जो बिना जो एकदम बिना कोचिंग
the
के
point is it's not that. It's the fact that everybody decides कि करना ही है.
कोचिंग लेना ही है.
It's not कि बहुत few पास हो रहे हैं. It's the fact that everybody decides कि करना ही है.
But do you need coaching
No.
in the beginning? No.
No.
To
No.
learn that those
You
codes and
need
everything.
someone to tell you कि क्या है.
How to prep?
No.
No.
You need someone to just tell you कि क्या है ये चीज़. क्या सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, क्या बुक्स हैं, क्या बेसिक्स हैं. अगर आपको कोई वो बता देता है, फिर आपको कोचिंग नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि कोचिंग से आप नहीं पास होने वाले हो.
अच्छा. This is new to me because
Yeah.
I thought, I mean, so
Exactly,
far
right?
coaching, yeah.
That is what I'm
everybody-
saying कि सब ये
Yeah.
मान लेते हैं, तो जिसको ज़रूरत है नहीं है वो सब चले जाते हैं.
क्योंकि पहले तो जानना ही पड़ेगा कि कैसे
ना?
आएगा, what will be the
नहीं,
format.
but that's because you
Yeah.
don't have anybody in your life. If you have an
yeah.
elder brother, if you have an elder sister,
That-
if you have a
or
cousin,
maybe then,
if your
yes.
parents are somebody in the services,
Then,
या
yeah.
uncles, aunts, तो फिर आपको नहीं चाहिए ना.
फिर मे बी नहीं चाहिए हो सकता है. But if
आपके कॉलेज में
yeah.
अगर टीचर्स हैं जो हेल्प करा सकते हैं,
Maybe yes. But then even in my case, I would not know anybody
तो
in my
then you
family.
then you will do that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Then you will do that. But what I'm saying is it's not essential.
It's not essential. So that is one tip for people who are watching this. It's not coaching is not
basically
essential.
कोचिंग आपको स्टार्ट करने का
Yeah.
पॉइंट दे देती है. कोचिंग आपको बता देती है यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो. बट ये बहुत कॉमन सेंस की बात है. अगर कोचिंग से लोग पास हो रहे होते तो कोई एक कोचिंग के ही पास हो रहे होते. इफ कोचिंग वाज मेकिंग ऑल द डिफरेंस.
Acha. So, but did you run into difficulties? Did you run into like कि अब इसके आगे I don't know how to prepare or what to do? How did
नहीं,
that?
there is no इसके आगे.
Okay. या इसके बीच में whatever. I
नहीं,
mean.
there is no
yeah.
not like that. आपको जितनी किताबें मिल रही हैं आप सारी पढ़ लो.
Okay.
सब पढ़ लो.
What were your subjects?
When I started I had public administration and geography. तब दो होते थे, फिर then it became one. So then I had geography.
Most people do public administration, right? Pub
No,
admin.
geography.
Geography.
Yeah.
Because it's more scoring.
No,
No.
no. It's a subject that most people have studied at some point.
In school?
Yeah,
Back
and it's
in
not
school.
a it's not a it's a lot of logical connections and logical study rather than just mugging up stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. Geography is very logical.
But geography as a subject never got that popular because when you enter college,
Because
you
there's
either
not
do
much-
BCom honors,
Because
political
there's
science
not
honors,
much for
English
geographers
honors.
to do professionally.
That's the reason, yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Professionally, there's not much for a geographer.
Ki,
to
what kind of job would you get? Is it like that in India, or do people even outside?
across the world.
Across the world.
There's not much that you will do as a geographer, right? क्या करोगे आप? क्या job है? That's the point.
So this subject is taken only because you
Yeah.
need to clear.
I don't know that. Do
Okay.
they? Because
I
mostly
guess.
engineers take geography and PubAd.
Do they? Because
yeah.
PubAd is one that you need to know things about government and
It makes
right?
a lot of
A lot of
sense. When
and
you
then
come in.
people take other like a language which they know or something like that.
People take all subjects.
Okay.
सब
Yeah.
subjects ही लेते हैं.
Right.
हाँ.
So you didn't get into any hurdles during the preparation. Like you'd studied on your own and then you
So what do you mean
made
by
your own
hurdles?
notes. Like I'm not able to. There's a lot of coding also, na. There is something like that. When I had given an exam, so I
Coding.
it's like PHRWX, and now you tell us that what is this? There was
you're
something like
talking
that.
about CSAT sort of subject?
Something like
Logical
that. It was
reasoning?
there. Logical reasoning.
That's in
Logical.
CSAT.
I think it's there in.
That's CSAT. CSAT का paper.
I guess it's there even in other papers. That it's not. Because I was studying and I thought, what is this? I don't know how to do this. Okay. So it's not like that.
CSAT है ये तो.
So preparation was on your own, and you were quite confident that okay.
No,
I'll be able-
nobody's confident, and you're very, very arrogant if you're confident.
Okay.
Extremely arrogant.
Then what did you think? Who guided you in that?
Nobody.
Nobody. Then you
मतलब
were your
इधर से
own
पूछ
guide.
लिया और इधर से चेक कर लिया एक आध कोई जो कोचिंग में दोस्त मिले थे उनसे मोस्टली खुद ही करना पड़ता है क्योंकि
Okay.
कोई भी इतना बड़ा एक्सपर्ट होगा तो वो खाली थोड़ी बैठा है सी पीपल हु आर दैट गुड दे आर ऑलरेडी इन जॉब्स ना
Right. And the coaching hubs then have other people who.
कोचिंग
there.
आर रन बाय
Yeah.
पीपल मोस्टली हु हैव नेवर क्लियर्ड
Okay.
थोड़ी कॉमन सेंस लगा लेनी चाहिए लाइफ में
Okay.
कोचिंग इज
So
रन
that's a very big notion to
Yeah.
break if you're
Yeah.
saying that for people who are preparing, right?
coaching is run by people who haven't cleared. Very few of them are ones who are running.
So they're just teaching because they couldn't
Yeah.
crack.
No, that's not the point.
yeah.
The point is taking someone's opinions who's never been successful at something which they're giving you an opinion about, you should take that with a grain of salt.